Everybody, good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Monday morning. A cold front is quickly racing southward. We've got a few clouds around this morning across southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, some clearing right in here. But here comes some new clouds and some strong winds behind that cold front. And winds are going to become northwesterly and even northwesterly. And they're going to be gusty, 15 to 30 mile per hour winds, gusts 30, 35, almost 40 miles per hour this afternoon. We might even sneak in a couple of flurries up here to the north. I don't think we'll see much. But right in there, you see a couple of flurries or some light snow in northwest Nebraska. And I know we do eventually, or every once in a while, get a few viewers up in the Valentine area, so I did want to share that. There might be a little bit of activity. In fact, that's kind of the area to target tonight and into tomorrow morning for maybe a few more flurries, while the rest of us keep partly to mostly cloudy skies going, chillier air coming in. Tomorrow, still not a whole lot colder than today. It'll be a little chilly, but not terrible for the time of the year. Winds will pick back up. Breezy in the east, but stronger winds in the west and northwest. Right in here. This is noon tomorrow, and also watching for those flurries or some light snow. Some of that may even push southeastward as the day goes on. So this is the afternoon here, 5 o'clock now. Maybe a little bit of light snow or flurry activity here. Here comes another cold front Tuesday night and a Wednesday morning, and that front's going to reinforce. It's going to bring even colder air. In fact, just to the northeast, bitterly cold air is going to be in place. Now, skies will partially clear up heading into Wednesday morning, and we'll get rid of those flurry chances. So temperatures today, still in the 50s in the southeast, only in the 30s up to the north and northwest. Most of us will see 40s. Tri-Cities average high is in the lower 40s this time of the year. So most of us are still at or above average for this time of the year, despite the big cool down. Tonight, we're down into the 20s for lows. This is a little bit colder than this morning for most of us. And then tomorrow, kind of a chilly-ish day. Breezy to windy conditions, windier the farther west and northwest you go. Highs will be in the mid-upper 30s up north. Most of us in the low to mid 40s. Tomorrow night, colder air. Here comes that Arctic air, and you can see the purples off to our north. Teens to lower 20s for most of us, but look at this on Wednesday. Look at the range of temperatures. It'll still get up into the 40s in southwest Nebraska. That cold front's about right here. It never truly comes through all of the area. So still in the 40s in the southwest, but look how much colder it gets as you go to the northwest. 30s right in here. 20s right in here. Teens in far northeast Nebraska. And it's even worse actually just northeast of us. We're getting a glancing shot of Arctic air. It's going to be a lot colder in places like the eastern Dakotas, Minnesota, northern Iowa will get it on that too. In fact, look at Thursday, that cold air off to our northeast still. Most of us are still pretty chilly. Teens in northeast Nebraska near the border there in Yankton and Sioux City, Iowa, Yankton, South Dakota. 20s, 30s, still again some 40s and even low 50s way out west. As that frontal boundary basically sits right about here. We'll get another cold day on Friday. You'll see that on the 7-day forecast here. And in fact, we're also going to be watching for some moisture, mainly over southeastern areas on Friday. I included a very small chance for the Tri-Cities. Once we get beyond Friday, temperatures are going to start to recover. Saturday and Sunday. Sunday's looking pretty good, a little breezy there. And in fact, it looks even just as warm on Monday. So a couple of really, really nice days on Sunday and Monday. Maybe not as quite as nice as this last weekend, but still pretty decent for mid-December. And then as we get into next week, Monday, Tuesday to Wednesday, we're going to start to cool back down a little bit. North Platte, we're looking at windy conditions the next 2 days. I did keep the windy icon for tomorrow. The winds will be a little bit stronger there than the Tri-Cities. Maybe some flurries tomorrow. Wednesday, temperatures come down. Now, the temperatures won't come down quite as bit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as they will for the Tri-Cities, that warmer air mass to the west. Lows will be down into the teens, and then we start to warm up Saturday and Sunday. And we'll keep that around into Monday before temperatures start to fall off a little bit by the middle of next week. But looking at our second week outlook, so that's days 8 through 14, likely to be above average. We're going to keep the warm weather going just to the days just before Christmas, and probably not a lot of precipitation around here. Real quick, I did want to jump ahead to Friday here before I run out of time here. Here's Friday, and again, watching southeastern areas. Again, a little bit of rain or snow. Tri-Cities on the edge of that. Doesn't look like most of us will get much. It looks like just a glancing shot. Most of us will miss out. That's the European model. The GFS is a little colder and is mainly snow here. Jump ahead. Here is Friday right there. A little rain or snow. Mostly eastern Nebraska, maybe a little bit off to the northwest, but mostly eastern Nebraska, the way things are looking right now. Well, I am all the time, so I have to wrap things up here. So I want to thank you for watching here, and I will be back with you again on Tuesday morning with all the latest. Until then, take care, and God bless. Bye.